people. Obedience is very good. To obey is not easy. To obey is difficult. To obey, they bring unity. They bring love. They bring good relationship. To obey, no be small thing. But why is it bad? Is it that everyone right now, even the children you born, you notice that it's very difficult for them to obey, to do what you tell them to do what you teach them to do. Why? Everybody have your own brain, have your own sense. We all behave the way we think is good. There are children that when you born them, you notice that they obey you. Hey, come and listen, especially when you have a child, or you have one male child or one female child. These children don't disobey on time, except you train them wide. They don't disobey on time. They disobey when they have gotten married. They will start disobey. Their own disobedience breaks their parents' hearts. Why? Because you see them, they never live their life. They never behave the way they suppose. Some of these, maybe only son, only girl, you notice that their parents give them driver to drive them to anywhere they are going. They have not even, until when they got married. Then the people now think that the other spouse that is living with them should also obey the way they are obeying. But what am I talking? I'm talking about you that have grown up, married women and married men. Now I'm talking to adults. Don't you think that it is time for you to obey one another? Even if you don't obey in anything, but everything. But there are aspects, at least let's say you obey to 65%. You just notice that there are men that will tell you, no, in fact, in our family, they know us as disobedient people. In fact, it is when I come that people, you see people that are proud with things that is not good. And they are showing it even in the front of their children. Some people, they have finished giving birth. It's when the children start doing what they are doing or what they are doing since. That is when you see them begin to change. Change depends on you. It is you who will change. It is me who will change. It's just this. How do you think? How do you think it is good for you to change? Behave, obedience is good. It's very good to obey in your relationship. Obey in everything, in every transaction you are doing with people. Don't be a dubious person. There is a story that somebody have brought to us. I'm going to tell you about this story in another video. You will know that obedience is good. But with your wisdom. Even you are a wife too, with your wisdom. Even as a wife, obey with your wisdom.